जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Namaste, all Indian in Netherlands, Indian in India, and Indian across the world. Wish all of you happy Independence Day, and also warm welcome our Excellency Indian Ambassador, King of the Netherlands, Mr. Venu Rajamoni, and Mayor of Den Haag, City of Peace and Justice, Mr. Jan Zanen, and Dr. former President Dr. Madam Mariam Oth, and our loyal member and sponsors and all friends of NIA. Normally NIA always celebrate this day, one of the very beautiful occasion with a big huge capacity of the people, but due to Corona this year we're not allowed to do this celebration in big hall. So that's why our board decided we do organize online celebration, and I want to thank you very much all of you in advance to watching us. And as a Netherlands Indian Association, which started 7th of April 1951 in Leiden, and we crossed this year 69 years, one of the oldest organization in the Netherlands, who organized so many Indian festival and Dutch festival and sport activities and business activity to bring all Indian and Dutch under one umbrella on one podium together. And that is our main motivation, to learn each other culture and history and society, and which we're doing very successfully for last so many years. NIA is also and doing so many things to people, helping and to people anything they need to us to ask for India. We try to help them on the good way, try to advise them how to do good thing or business or culture thing for India together. And once again, I want to thanks to all of you and to support to Netherlands India Association, and thank you very much, and wish you all of you very happy and healthy 2020. And Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Bande Matram, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Namaste. Hello, everyone. My special greetings to all members of the Netherlands India Association, as well as all viewers of this wonderful special program for Independence Day being organized by the Netherlands India Association. This is the fourth Independence Day organized by the Netherlands India Association that I am participating in. My wife and I are participating in it. From the time we arrived in the year 2017 in the Netherlands, from the time I assumed office as Ambassador of India, this event has been a permanent part of my calendar every year. It is unfortunate that because of the pandemic, because of the COVID-19 situation, we are unable to meet in person, we are unable to interact, and therefore we have to use this online means. But I would still congratulate the Netherlands India Association for not having given up and having made it a particular point to host the celebration in as grand a manner as they always do through online means, so that the message of India-Netherlands friendship can be spread far and wide. Friends, the Netherlands India Association is a very special association. It is one of the oldest organizations here in the Netherlands. It was established in 1951. It originally began with predominantly Dutch participation in it. The number of Indians in 1951 was very low. And it began as a forum for discussions on India, on Indology, on spirituality, on philosophy, on all aspects related to India, which the Dutch people were interested in. From then on till today, the Netherlands-India Association has steadily grown, both in its membership as well as its range of activities. Today, it serves as an umbrella organization which brings together a number of different cultural organizations here in the Netherlands and organizes events such as this Independence Day celebration. I congratulate Mr. Vinod Sethi, the president of the association, and all its office bearers, its board members, for the excellent work they are doing. And I urge all people, all friends, to either become members of the association or to contribute, for those who are already members, to contribute to its activities vigorously, so that it occupies a premier spot here in the cultural and social scene of the Netherlands. Friends, I mentioned the pandemic in the beginning, and this pandemic brings home to all of us one basic message, and that message is the message of unity of mankind. This pandemic, this tiny little virus which we cannot even see, has unified the whole world. Nobody has escaped it. Everyone is at its mercy, rich and poor, people belonging to different religions, different languages, different cultures, different races. Everyone is affected by it. The richest nations and the poorest nations, the strongest nations and the weakest nations are affected by this pandemic. And this shows how important it is for all of us to stand together when facing adversity such as this. We need to stand together in good times as well as in difficult times such as this. And only through collective action will we be able to overcome adversities such as this. So the basic message of pandemic, even as it is important for all of us to stay safe, to stay healthy, to follow all the precautions that the different governments are giving us, is that we must also stay united. We must not discriminate against each other. We must not exploit each other. Human solidarity should be a fundamental principle in our lives. We must always help and support each other, whether it be our own family members, whether it be our neighbors, whether it be other people in the community around us, or whether it be rich nations supporting poor nations, strong nations supporting weak nations, everybody coming together to build one new beautiful world. The message of India's independence is also similarly a message of internationalism. When India fought for its independence, it was not a selfish struggle. It was a struggle for certain values. It was a struggle for certain principles. We wanted freedom not just for ourselves, but for the whole world. And that is why, following India's independence, developing countries one after the other, former colonies one after the other, also started their struggles for independence, and one by one all the countries of Asia, all the countries of Africa became independent, and colonialism became extinct in the world. It became a memory of the past. This message of independence is what we in India must cherish and what we must spread across the world. This message of internationalism which permeates our entire struggle for independence and India's existence afterwards. India has always believed in what we call Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam. The whole world is one family, or Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Let the whole world enjoy happiness, enjoy prosperity. Every action we do must reflect this principle. And what we in India must do every Independence Day is to recall the values which has instilled in us by our founding fathers, the values and the principles of freedom, of democracy, of tolerance, of pluralism, of multiculturalism, which is enshrined in our constitution. We must rededicate ourselves to these principles every Independence Day. We must look at the past and see what we have achieved and what we have not, and we must determine to build a future in which these values become stronger, they strengthen our nation, they guide us to even greater prosperity. And this value must be spread by us across the world. Each one of you must become ambassadors of the fundamental core values which are the founding principles of the Indian Republic, and these are exactly the same founding principles of the Dutch Republic. So what unites the people of Netherlands and India together is not just friendship, family ties, people-to-people relations, or a shared economic prosperity, but also a deep-seated belief and commitment in some core values which we believe are universal for the whole world. So my message on this occasion of Independence Day to all members of the Netherlands India Association is, let us under no circumstances let go of our fundamental values. Let us not treat another individual as alien or separate from ourselves. Let us commit ourselves to the welfare and prosperity of each and every person in this world. Let us treat equality as a fundamental mantra, and let us reaffirm our belief that nobody is different from another just because he believes in a different religion, or he belongs to a different color, or he speaks a different language, or because his dietary patterns or cultural habits or ways of dressing are different. None of this matter. Basically, people are one. Humanity is one. The ancient sages of India said, when it comes to religions, Ekam Sat Vipra Bahuda Vadanti. The truth is one. It is the saints, the seers, describe that truth in different ways. That is all the difference there is between religions. Let us on this day pledge to uphold the fundamental values that unite India and the Netherlands. Let us pledge to fight for its preservation and for its strengthening, and let us pledge that we will spread these values far and wide. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, this year will be the last Independence Day of the Netherlands India Association that my wife and I join at a time when I am Ambassador of India to the Netherlands. I will finish my tenure later this year in end November, and I will return to India. I am extremely grateful to everyone in the Netherlands, especially members of the Netherlands India Association, who have treated us like family, who have welcomed us, who have always been there for the programs that we organize, who have supported us and lavished their love and affection upon us. I look forward to maintaining our close friendship in the coming days. Before we leave the Netherlands, we still have a few more months. I hope I will have the opportunity to meet each and every one of you individually and personally, and to interact and spend some quality time together before my wife and I leave the Netherlands. And after we leave, I hope our friendship will be long lasting, that I will have opportunities to meet you wherever I am based, and I will also, and you will have opportunities to meet me here in the Netherlands. I will do everything possible to visit the Netherlands and to stay in touch with you. Thank you very much. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, follow the instructions of the Dutch government and the Indian government wherever you are, or whichever local government which is active in the jurisdiction where you are. I wish each and every one of you, your families, the very best. Jai Hind. Namaste.
Hi friends, I am Anil Verma from India. I would like to thank Netherlands India Association and President Mr. Vinod Sajde to give this wonderful chance to perform on historical moment Indian Independence Day. Was the powerful performance Ganpati Act. Thank you. Jai Hind.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वेषु सर्वदा
रिद्धि सिद्धि वृद्धि होती तेरे ही आने से, और सुंदर ये सृष्टि होती तेरे ही आने से। मोरया मोरया
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
सुंदर उदिशेंदुराची कंठी जागे माळ मुक्ता फळांची। जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती। दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती। जय देव जय देव।
everybody. Namaskar. Thank you for joining this beautiful program. My name is Rabin Baldev Singh, former Deputy Mayor of the city of The Hague, the international city of peace and justice, a city which always has been connected with the diplomatic world, but also has been connected with India, and a city which is very vibrant as far as multiculturalism is concerned. And that is the connection which I make with India, talking about independence. Indeed, today it's a beautiful day. It's a historic day which we ought to celebrate, and that is exactly what we are doing right now with this program. And I'm very glad that you are joining this program in full conviction that today we are proud in what India has achieved in the last decades, actually after the independence. Politically, economically, but in my humble opinion, it is important that to realize that India also showed us the way how to cope social differences in a free world. I mean, celebrating Independence Day is not only celebrating the fact that, India beat up this, English colonialists and the oppressor. I think celebrating Independence Day is also celebrating one's freedom. And freedom has many aspects, political freedom, but also social freedom. And as far as social freedom is concerned, India has been an example, how to cope with this diverse society. It has shown us the way, to live harmoniously. Rabindranath Tagore spoke about when the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. This is a very powerful sentence of Rabindranath Tagore. Actually, in this sentence, the spirit of India is very vividly present. And that spirit is that, taking into account this National Day, this Independence Day, we are free, but we are also free to be ourselves, whoever you are, everybody, whether you are a man or a woman or a child, whether you are black or white, or whether you have all kinds of beliefs or a non-believer, or whether you are politically on the right side or on the wrong side or on the left side. It doesn't matter. All of us has a place in the lap of Mother India. And that is the inspiration of 15 August. 15 August is not only a day to celebrate one's independence, it is a day we celebrate our lives and our spiritualities and our connections. Connecting each other is foremost the largest example this country give to humanity in the world. But I also would like to salute especially the NIA, the Netherlands-India Association, an association which has been very important in connecting the diaspora community with the Dutch community, the oldest organization in the Netherlands, and they have done great jobs actually as far as connecting both worlds with high-profile activities, but also activities, which are very common to all of us and which was, very enjoyable. These are challenging times with this COVID-19. I would like to salute you, to greet you, but to say to you, please take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Be careful, and I hope to see you physically very soon, somewhere at a function in the diaspora community. And for today, enjoy this program. Namaskar.
Namaste. Happy Independence Day. I am Bhavika Adippa, and I will be performing a dance from the Odissi repertoire known as Mohana Pallavi, which I learned under the guidance of Guru Asha Rambaranji. I want to thank Vinodji and Netherlands India Association for this prestigious opportunity. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ मौसमी गुहा। आज है 15 अगस्त, इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस डे, 15th August. And we all know that this is a very, very special day for all of us Indians. There is an online concert organized by the esteemed organization in the Netherlands, NIA, which is the Netherlands India Association. And I will be performing some patriotic songs here on this platform today with many talented artists from India as well as from other countries of Europe. I'm very glad and at the same time very much thankful to Vinod Sahadevji and his whole team of NIA, Netherlands India Association, to give me this platform and opportunity and inviting me to sing a few patriotic songs. First of all, I will be singing one bhajan, a patriotic bhajan, Vaishnava Janarto. And then I will also move on to another song very popular, Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo. Vaishnava Janarto Tere kahiye ji Peed parai वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जी पीड़ पराई जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए मन अभिमान ना वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जी पीड़ पराई जाने रे।
कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। है मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। है मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब हायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे धर कर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब देश में थी दिवाली, वो खेल रहे थे होली, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, वो झेल रहे थे गोली। थी धन्य जवान वो अपनी, थी धन्य वो उनकी जवानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई गुरखा कोई मर्दासी, कोई गुरखा कोई मद्रासी, सरहद पर मरने वाला, सरहद पर मरने वाला, हर वीर था भारतवासी, जो खून गिरा पर्वत पर, वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। थी खून से लथपथ काया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा, फिर गिर गए होश गवा के, जब अंत समय आया तो जब अंत समय आया तो कह गई कि अब मरते हैं, जब अंत समय आया तो कह गई कि अब मरते हैं। खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं। क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद हिंद जय हिंद की सेना है जय हिंद जय हिंद जय
जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई देता न दशमलव भारत तो यूं जान के जाना मुश्किल था धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई पहले जन्मी है जहाँ पे कला अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा जो आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया भगवान करे और बढ़े बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले
क्यों हो गए और सुनो
जहाँ की रीत सदा है कि जहाँ की रीत सदा मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ है कि जहाँ की रीत सदा मान चुकी सारी दुनिया जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया मैं बात वही दोहराता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ है कि जहाँ की सदा हमने तो दिलों को जीता है जहाँ राम अभी तक है नर में नारी में अभी तक सीता है कितने पावन है लोग जहाँ कितने पावन है लोग जहाँ मैं नित नित शीश झुकाता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ कहाँ की सदा भी माता कह के बुलाते हैं धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया, इस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया। ये सोच के मैं इतराता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। मैं प्रीत जहाँ की सदा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Hello everyone, this is Madhvi Srivastav. First of all, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Thanks to Vinod ji, President Netherlands Indian Association, for this great opportunity to sing on Indian Independence Day. So here it is.
जो समर में हो गए अमर, जो समर में हो गए अमर, मैं उनकी याद में गा रही हूँ आज श्रद्धा गीत धन्यवाद में, जो समर में हो गए अमर, मैं उनकी याद में गा रही हूँ आज श्रद्धा गीत धन्यवाद में, जो समर में हो गए अमर। लौट कर न आएंगे विजय दिलाने वाले वीर, लौट कर न आएंगे विजय दिलाने वाले वीर, मेरी गीत अंजलि में उनके लिए नयन नीर, संग फूल पान के रंग है निशान के, शूरवीर आन के, जो समर में हो गए अमर। विजय के फूल खिल रहे, फूल अध खिले झरे, विजय के फूल खिल रहे, फूल अध खिले झरे, उनके खून से हमारे खेत बाग बन भरे, ध्रुव है क्रांति गान के, सूर नव विहान के, शूरवीर आन के, जो समर में हो गए अमर। वो गए कि रह सके स्वतंत्रता स्वदेश के, वो गए कि रह सके स्वतंत्रता स्वदेश के, विश्व भर में मान्यता हो मुक्ति के संदेश की, प्राण देश प्राण के, मूर्ति स्वाभिमान के, शूरवीर आन के, जो समर में हो गए अमर, मैं उनकी याद में गा रही हूँ आज श्रद्धा गीत धन्यवाद में, जो समर में हो गए
सुंदर है जग में सबसे जाति भाषा से बढ़कर, जहाँ देश प्रेम की धारा है वो भारत देश हमारा है। नमस्कार, मैं हूँ किरण सचदेव और विश्व भर में बसे सभी भारतीयों को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन। ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से। पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहां रहूं जहां में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
आज मैं जिस चीज़ के लिए यहाँ पे आया हूँ वो बहुत ही ख़ास है और महत्वपूर्ण भी है, क्योंकि अपने राष्ट्र के लिए कुछ गाना, अपने देश के लिए कुछ गाना, राष्ट्रगीत प्रस्तुत करना ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, फ़ख्र की बात होती है। सो इस चीज़ के लिए मैं सबसे पहले तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ श्री नीलेश मल्होत्रा सर का, जो कि एक एक्टर, फिल्म डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर है बॉलीवुड के। साथ ही साथ मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ श्री विनोद सहदेव सर का, जो कि नीदरलैंड इंडिया एसोसिएशन के प्रेसिडेंट हैं। सो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर आपका, थैंक यू वेरी मच कि मुझे 15 अगस्त के मौके पे इंडियन एम्बेसी के ऐतिहासिक दिन पे मुझे गाने का कुछ राष्ट्रगीत गाने का मौका मिला है। तो धन्यवाद सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। मैं आपके सामने एक राष्ट्रगीत प्रस्तुत करता हूँ। धन्यवाद। ये वो धरती जहाँ ऋषि मुनि जपते प्रभु नाम की माला। ये वो धरती जहाँ ऋषि मुनि जपते प्रभु नाम की माला। यहाँ हर बालक एक मोहन है और राधा एक एक बाला। राधा एक एक बाला। जहाँ सूरज सबसे पहले आके डाले अपना डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़ियाँ करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। ये वो धरती जहाँ ऋषि मुनि जपते प्रभु नाम की माला। यहाँ हर बालक एक मोहन है और राधा एक एक बाला। राधा एक एक बाला। जहाँ सूरज सबसे पहले आके डाले अपना डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।
everyone. I'm Charles Anthony, a solo singer musician from the God's own country, Kerala, India. It's a great honor for me to perform a couple of songs for the Netherlands India Association. For this, I would like to say thanks to Mr. Vinod Sehdev and the entire board of Netherlands India Association for this podium. I would like to sing a song about the humanity of the entire world, and this song was written by a friend of mine, Dr. Siddiq Muhammad, and the song is Nobody Dies, Vasudeva Kudumbakam. Nobody dies, nobody dies. We all belong to one Father, one Mother, and one eternal power. Oh, Vasudeva, oh, Vasudeva, Kudumbakam. Nobody dies, nobody dies. We all belong to one Father, one Mother, and one eternal power. Though we lose our body one day, the soul is eternal, the soul is eternal. We just transform one state, another state to be. Nobody dies, nobody dies, nobody dies, nobody dies. Now, I would like to sing a Hindu bhajans for you. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे पर दुखे उपकार करे तोय मन अभिमान ना आने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे. Now I would like to give you a surprise with a Dutch song. Jij kon nooit reden, waarbij ik in al met z'n vloed. Al die kennissen die vragen hoe met ons gaat, is de laat, is de laat. Ik schiude je foto, che mi breve brand. In mijn hart moet ik huilen, maar ik doe nooit te lang. Ik schiude je foto, maar ik zie je nog steeds. Want ik weet dat ik het nooit meer vergeet. Ik schiude je foto, maar ik zie je nog steeds. Want ik weet dat ik het nooit meer vergeet. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Gelukkige Independence Day, India.
स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं.
Ik wens jullie veel creativiteit. Graag willen we NIE bedanken voor de steun en het vertrouwen.
Jai Hind!
Jai Bharat! Jai India!
Hello everybody at home. My name is Juanita. I'm from Amsterdam, the Netherlands, and I would love to wish you a very happy Independence Day. And I also would like to thank the Netherlands India Association for this event so we can still celebrate together. Take care, God bless. I send you lots of love.
सजन
शक्ल से अकल का मारा है रे तू, लड़के और लड़के कहाँ से आया है रे तू, प्यारा है शक्ल से अकल का मारा है रे तू।
हाँ चल गई मेरी बातों से तू जल गई, हाँ खल गई तुझे खल गई मेरी बेपरवाही खल गई। ओ तरवा तू किस खेत की मूली है जरा पता।
टीवी पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हर मेरा घाघरा है, बगदाद से लेके दिल्ली आगरा। टीवी पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हर मेरा घाघरा है, बगदाद से लेके दिल्ली आगरा।
Oh God, one more remix.
दिल धड़काए और सीटी बजाए, दिल धड़काए सीटी बजाए, बीच सड़क पे नखरे दिखाए सारे हो करके इशारे। हो लड़की हो लड़की ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे।
Hi friends, I'm Naveen.
I'm Sarita.
And I'm Sriram. And we are Dhwani. It's an honor to be a part of this beautiful initiative.
We sing to you a song of hope and determination, a tribute to our motherland.
चले हम उस दिशा में, खुशियाँ हो गुलसिता में, एक नया सवेरा हम लाएंगे।
ना हो दूरी कोई और ना तकरार हो, कुछ ऐसा करे प्यार ही प्यार हो।
एक नया आशिया हम बनाए चलो, ये घर है इसे हम सजाए चलो। Let's stand united for a better tomorrow.
We'll bring a morning when there's no sorrow.
Each of us can make a difference.
Together we will do it, let's say.
संग कदम बढ़ाते जाए,
खुल मिल के एक रंग बन जाए।
हर दिल में हम जोश जगाए,
एक आवाज में हम सब गाए।
वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन, दिल दिया है जा भी देंगे। है वतन तेरे लिए मेरा करवा तू, मेरा घरवा तू, तेरा सब कुछ मैं, मेरा सब कुछ तू। है वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जान तक लुटा जा। चीज है तेरे कदमों पे हम पेट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। है वतन छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी,
नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी।
हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती। देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का प्यारो है, इस देश का प्यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। छक दे हो छक दे इंडिया, छक दे हो छक दे इंडिया, छक दे हो छक दे इंडिया, छक दे हो छक दे इंडिया।
My name is Eric Nier. I'm a member of the Executive Board of the Netherlands-India Association. It is my sad duty to mark the completion of our 74th India Independence Day celebration, due to Corona, this time online. I do most sincerely thank our introductory speakers, Ambassador Rajamoni, former Deputy Mayor Rabin Baljoo Singh, and our President Vinod Selath. Our deep gratitude goes to all the dance and musical artists who have been able and willing to contribute to our cultural program. They come from India, the Netherlands, but also from France, Belgium and Germany. We are especially indebted to them for having been capable to adjust to this online event. Thank you. Finally, on behalf of NIA, I express our gratitude to all our sponsors who are signaled on our flyer and our website. To the many, many people who have joined us online today, and, as a matter of course, to our IT guru Pankaj Taneja and his team, who have done a most remarkable job in putting everything together. Thank you all, and hopefully we see you next year for the celebration of the 75th India Independence Day.